Hello, my desktop publishing students. I've opened up Candy Wrapper and saved it, and it said to you, it asked you to do the top standard business memo. Well, you know what I did? I just copied mine from the last one, and the only thing I had to change was the subject line to Candy Bar Wrapper Contest. So that's what I did. So that's how mine is there so fast. And then I put my initials on it and attachment as it said. All right, so then it says in the new section, insert, where did it tell me to put a new section? Hold on here. After the attachment reference. Okay, so there I am. And it says go and insert a section break next page. So I want to go to Layout, Breaks, Section Break, next page. And now I'm in section number 2, check it, and I'm on a new page. And it says insert the file called. So I want to go to Insert, Object, the drop down arrow, and choose Text from File. And I want to go to my classes drive, and you'll go to your classes drive, Desktop Publishing, and I want to go and look for Wrapper. So I'm going to search for Wrapper. I was going to put in Wrap, that's enough. And there's Wrapper right there. So I'm going to double click on it, and there it is inserted for me. All right. Okay, so it says format the 2-line title. The 2-line title, okay, there it is. So I'm going to select the 2 lines. 14 bold. Okay, so home, 14, size 14, bold, and small caps. Oh no, it said all caps. Okay, my fault there. All caps. All right, we've got that and left aligned, and it is. Okay, select rules and guidelines and apply bold, italic, and small caps. Okay, bold, italic, and small caps. So this time I can do the small caps. Say okay. And then I want to do the same thing, so I'm going to pick up my paintbrush and come down and do prizes. And there's prizes done exactly the same. Okay, that's good. So now I have to select the text below each side heading and format as a bulleted list. All right, so we're going to go here and select here, and we want to put it as a bulleted list. All right, so I'm just going to choose a straight default bullet. The little square I think was used, yes. All right, so that's okay. And then I'm going to pick up my paintbrush and I'll do the same thing here. All right, and we want to put proper spacing between them. So remember here we select all of them but not the last one, right? So that you can put your spacing after. And hold on here, I don't want my format painter on. I just want to select. And I want to go to paragraph, and I want 10 points after, but take a look. Remember, you don't want, it says don't add space between paragraphs of the same type. So if you left it on, nothing would happen. So take it off. So make sure it says 10 points and make sure there's no check mark there. All right, so can you see your 10 points after? And now select these ones, but not the last one. And you're going to go to paragraph and you're going to put 10 points after and take out the check mark. All right, so let's go to view and let's go to multiple pages so that you can see that we have, I did that, all the bulleted items. All right. Oh, I said 12 points after and I did 10. Okay, well, my fault. Select them all but the last one and go to home and go to paragraph and put 12 points after. And I wouldn't have really worried either way, but it will fill our page up better. All right, so we go to paragraph and we're going to put 12 points after. Click OK. That's good. Now save your work if you haven't saved your work. Do that and go Control Home. All right, that's asking us to replace all occurrences of the word contest with competition. So we can go Control H, and that will, hold on here, I'm not on my paper, I think. go Control Home, and go Control H. All right, and your find and replace comes up and it says find what? Okay, I want to find contest, C-O-N-T-E-S-T. Make sure you spell it right. And then we're going to replace it with competition. So C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. Spell that right, okay? C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. Now, say find next for starters, and it found contest. Do you want to replace it? Yes. And then it finds it again, replace it. Now, if you're not sure you want to replace every word, then go through each one by itself. If you want to say, oh no, I know it'll be fine, I'll replace all, you could click on replace all. Alright, so let's go. I'm just going to do another one here and replace contest with the competition. And now let's say replace all. Okay, so it said all done. We made one replacement. Okay, after it made one replacement, it had made the other ones that we did manually before. All right, close it out. And so now all our contest words have been changed to competition. Okay, that's good. Now add a page border to section 2 only. So be on section 2. Go to page border and make sure we're on page border. And it said choose. You can choose anything that you like. It doesn't matter what you choose. I said choose something geometric just to make you go down and look at things, but you could choose what you want. I don't know if that was the one that I was thinking about. Ooh, it looks pretty heavy. Let's see what else there is. Oh, there, this looks better to me. Okay, and remember, stay about size 20, okay? And you can choose a color of your choice. Any color's fine. All right, and now we don't want to apply it to the whole document. We want to apply it to section 2 only, this section. All right, so now you've got the border on this page only and nothing on the memo, which we should have. And section 2, check to make sure layout margins and check to see that your top margin is 1 inch, and it is, so that's fine. And then it's centered vertically. All right, so we're going to go to page setup, and we're going to go to layout, and we're going to choose vertical alignment center. So now the text is all centered on the page. All right, that looks great. So save your work, and that's the end of that one, and we'll stop there.